Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue chapter 10. So let's start. Section 2. Acids and bases. Acids and their properties. A sour taste is not the only property of an acid. Have you noticed that when you squeeze a lemon juice into the tea, the color of the tea becomes lighter? This change happens because acids cause some substance to change color. So acids like lemon. Acids is not sour taste of the acid is not the only property of the acid. Acids have another property as change the color of the tea, and the color of the tea become light. An acid is any compound that increases. So what's meant by an acid? Acid is any compound that increases the number of hydronium ions. Hydronium ions, which is mean 3 hydrogen with positive charge. Like this is hydronium ion when dissolved in water. So when acid dissolve in water, acids which is contain hydrogen. When acids dissolve in water, what happens? It reacts with water and combine with water molecules. So hydrogen, which is for acids, plus H2O, which is for water, form what? Hydrogen with 2 hydrogen forms 3 hydrogen, form hydronium ion with positive charge. So acids when dissolve in water form what? Hydronium ion. Hydronium ion form when hydrogen ion from the acid separate from the acid and bond with water molecules H2O. So hydrogen ion separate from the acid molecules and bond with hydrogen ion, which is H2O, to perform hydronium ion. Hydronium ion H3 3H and oxygen, 1 oxygen. What are the properties of the acid? Acid have a sour flavor. The taste of lemon, lime, and other citrus fruit is result of citric acid. However, taste, touch, or the smell should never be used to identify a non-chemical. So, many acids are corrosive, so we shouldn't smell or touch any acids molecule. Why? Because many acids are corrosive and only other acids are poisons, which is mean they destroy body tissue, clothing, and many other things. Most acids are also poison. So taste, touch, and smell should never be used to identify unknown substance or unknown chemical, or to identify the chemical either acids or base. Why? As most of the acids are corrosive, can destroy your skin or your body tissue, clothing, and many other things. Most acids are poison. Acid change the color of indicators. Substance that change color in the presence of the acid or base is an indicator. So we use an indicator to know if this substance or if this unknown is an acid or base. Both thus shown in this figure called bromosymal blue in them. So we have in 2 beakers bromosymal blue. The flask on the left contain water and indicator. The indicator bromosymal blue is pale blue in water. Acids has been added to the flask on the right. We add acids here, or we add a chemical here. The color change from the pale blue to yellow. This indicates what? There is indicate for an acid here, which is mean we have here when we put this chemical, this is an acid. I change the pale blue into yellow because the indicator detects the presence of an acid. Another indicator common used in lab is litmus paper. As we use another indicator, we have here bromosymal blue is an indicator, and we have another indicator which is litmus paper strips containing litmus are available in both blue and red. We have two types of litmus paper, blue and red. When acid is added to the blue litmus paper, the color of the litmus paper changes to the red, from the blue to the red, which is indicate that this chemical is an acid. When acid is added here, the color changes to the yellow because of presence of the indicator. Acid react with metal. When acid react with any metal, acid react with some metal to make hydrogen gas. So the result will be hydrogen. For example, hydrogen gas is made when hydrochloric acid, this is an acid, when react with zinc, which is metal. The equation for the reaction is shown below. And when acids react with zinc, which is metal, form hydrogen gas, release hydrogen gas as a vapor like this, and zinc plus zinc chloride. So when react acid with metal, what happened? Release gas. This gas is an hydrogen gas. In this reaction, zinc take the place of hydrogen. Zinc, look, HCl plus zinc form hydrogen gas plus zinc chloride. Zinc take the place of hydrogen, replace the hydrogen, and form zinc chloride. Replace the hydrogen. Look here, zinc replace the hydrogen, replace hydrogen, and form zinc chloride. This reaction happened because zinc is an active metal, but if the element silver were put into hydrochloric acid, nothing would happen. Silver is not an active metal, which is mean it is less reactive, so it will not take the place of the hydrogen, and no reaction will take place. Acids conduct electric current. When acids dissolve in water, they break apart and form ions in the solution. The ion make it possible for the solution to conduct an electric current. What happens when you put, we have a water here, when you put hydrogen, HCl, hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid, what happened? The water molecule break hydrogen from chloride and form ions, positive and negative. So these ions make it possible for a solution to conduct an electric current, or this ion we use it to conduct an electric current. Car battery is one example. Car battery is one example of how an acid can be used to produce an electric current. The sulfuric inside the battery of the car, we have sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is a sulfuric acid that present inside the battery of the car. The high sulfuric acid in the battery conduct an electric current to help start the car engine. Uses of acids. Acids are used in many fields of industry and in homes. We use acids in your home and in industry. Sulfuric acid, as we use in battery, is the most widely made chemical in the world. It is used to make many products, including paper. We use sulfuric acid to make a paper, paint, detergent, and fertilizers. Nitric acid, another type of acid, is used to make fertilizers, rubber, and plastics. Hydrochloric acid is used to separate the metal from the other material in their ores, ore, which is mean its original substance. To separate the metal from its ore, we use hydrochloric acid. It's also used in swimming pool to help keep them free of algae. If they have algae, it's an insect, to keep or to kill this algae, we use in the swimming pool, we use hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid even aids in digestion in your stomach. Inside your stomach we have HCl, we have hydrochloric acid in your stomach to help what? To help digestion of food. Hydrofluoric acid is another example of acids, is used to etch a glass. Citric acid and ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, which is also acid, are found in orange juice. Acetic acid is the main ingredient in vinegar. And carbonic acid and phosphoric acid help give a sharp taste to the soft drinks. So inside the soft drinks, inside the Pepsi or 7-Up, we have the carbonic acid, which is acid. So citric acid, ascorbic acid, which is found in orange juice, acetic acid present in vinegar, carbonic acid and phosphoric acid help to give a sharp taste of the soft drinks like Pepsi and 7-Up and so on. Hydrofluoric acid was used to etch the image of the swan into this glass. Look, we use hydrofluoric acid to etch this glass like this image. That's it. Thanks for watching.